Hi, welcome back. We've got transporter out of the booth now. Just thought we'd show you a bit of a catch up, if you like. So we've got the doors back on. Still haven't got the front end back on yet. We're working on that bit at the moment. So we've got these doors. Just trying to build them up slowly so we don't damage anything, because I don't want to be doing that. Try and keep stuff clean and tidy. We'll get it all back together, have a flat polish, and then we'll have another look round it outside when it's all back together. Hi, I'm Richard Painter. You can see up there. I just started doing like a weekly update. I keep staring into that lens. A bit weird. So last week we were talking about transport. In fact, I was painting transporter body last week. So this week it's putting it all back together. Then we got flat polish, make sure everything's right. Any snaggy bits, sort them out. So I thought I'd just give you a quick update of where we are now. As you can see, it's all back on. We'll show you around it some more next week once we've actually finished it and got it outside. But what I thought I'd do is start with the if I can get it down, because it's still up on the ramp, which we're highly organised. That's not very good there, is it? Bit of dust, I think. So we've got a Mark 1 escort in for essentially bubble arches front and rear and a full paint. So the front, we've got new wings and new slam panel, front inner panel. Customer had already bought some panels before we've bought panels, and in hindsight there is actually a full inner panel available. Just sneaking around the car now. So basically what we've done is, I don't know if you can see, just stripped off the wings, got it all off. I will get some better footage of it once we've got transport parts and a load of boxes of because the customer bought a load of new stuff for the transport, so we've got boxes everywhere at the minute, just sorting them out. But basically I just wanted to show you where we are with the escort, and I'm going to try and do some updates with it, see if people are interested in it or not. One thing I did want to say really is I'll just grab that panel, it makes sense in a moment. So this car's come in from South Africa, so it's a nice decent body originally, but then when you start pulling panels off, you find like old repairs. So that's supposed to be a front panel. You see his wiring is right on that sharp edge of metal. So they've basically cut it down each side. Nice bit of welding there as well. And then folded that piece of tin in there, which isn't great obviously, but luckily they sell, that's the right way around, sell a complete new panel for it, which looks to be a really good panel, to be honest. So what we'll do is we'll make a start on that next week, get that cut out, get all these edges tidied up, I would get the car down a bit lower, but like I said, we've got a load of panels sat down here, a load of boxes and stuff, but I will have a proper go through it so you can see it all. We've got some, I don't know if you look up there actually. Yeah, so like a couple of the edges want tidying up, little piece making for up there, just stitch that back in. We'll get this lower panelling, get everything all dressed out and everything, and then on with the front end. Hopefully that doesn't take very long. We're going to paint inside the wings, well, just epoxy the inside of the wings so they're all sealed in, because when they're fitted you can't really paint the inside of them, so and your customer's happy. We've got an epoxy near enough the same colour, so we'll do it with that just so it's all sealed in, and then it's all getting waxed afterwards. But as you can see, it's actually pretty straight car really. In one respect it's a shame to cut it up, but your customer wants his bubble arches, customer's getting his bubble arches. It's his train set, he'll play with it how he wants to, as they say. So so yeah, more updates to come on that. Yeah, and then so we'll just finish off, as it's Saturday today, we'll finish off a load more bits with this transporter. As you can see, we've got a van there, next week's job. But yeah, if you'd like to know anything or any more information, just give us a shout. We basically do anything from a bumper corner to a full colour change, full restoration, any make or model. We don't specialise in anything in particular model wise.